How to circle a letter in Google Docs document. So friends, if you need to circle a letter in Google Docs, so firstly select that word where you want to circle. In my case, I want to circle this C. So select it, then right click on it and click on cut. Now click on insert, click on drawing and click on new. Now in here click on shape, hover cursor to shapes and select this oval circle. Now draw your circle, double click on it. Now paste your letter which you copy. Now adjust size as your letter. Now in here click on fill color and select transparent. Change circle border. So select any color. Change size border if you like 2px, and after that click on save and close. So friends, you will see it's not in line, so just click one time and select this wrap text, second one. Now margin, so select 0 and move with text, so select fix position on page. Now drag and drop. Also friends, you can customize some changes here. Like this. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method, we can circle a letter in Google Docs document. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.